keep the organization relevant in a rapidly transforming world. I am pleased to note that the discussions on the issues of reform and modernization of the organization have already commenced. I assure you that India will extend its constructive and active support for this process. I also seek the support of Member States for the long-standing demand of India to make English as the third official language of the organization. This will enable a deeper engagement with English-speaking Member States of the SCO and will take the work of this organization to a wider global audience. I am happy to note that the progress on ongoing process for the admission of Iran and Belarus as full members of the SCO. I thank the Secretariat for their efforts in that direction. Similarly, I am delighted that 4 new dialogue partners will sign the MOU for their association with SCO today in Goa. We welcome our new dialogue partners and hope to intensify engagement with them in the SCO format. Excellencies, India has proposed a New Delhi declaration as an SCO summit declaration and 4 other thematic joint statements on cooperation in de-radicalization strategies, promotion of millets, sustainable lifestyles to address climate change, and digital transformation. I seek your support in timely finalization of these documents for approval by our leaders at the SCO summit. I am confident that today's meeting would lead to fruitful discussions which would help in sustaining the momentum of our cooperation. I once again wholeheartedly thank you all for your support for the first ever SCO presidency of India, and I sincerely hope that we can get together to make the SCO Heads of State Summit meeting a great success. Thank you. With that, may I now request our friends from the media to please leave the meeting hall so that the proceedings can thereafter continue.